SPC solar pump inverter is AC to AC and DC AC pump inverter. Pump inverter solar's advantages are as follows. 1. MPPT function. Even if it is cloudy, the pump still can maintain low speed running. 2. AC input compensation function. Such as solar power 80%, the inverter will use 20% from AC input to supply 100% to the water pump. Solar power is 100%, the inverter will not use AC input, save AC cost. 3. No water sensor function. Water tank full sensor function. 4. Widely PV working voltage 150 VDC to 800 VDC.